Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Seattle Pacific University as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in spu.edu/bandweb. That is spu.edu/bandweb. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard. If you're on a mobile browser, you'll likely have to zoom in. And then in the search bar, you can type in SPU bandweb login. That is SPU bandweb login. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link. Tap on my SPU. If you're in a mobile browser, you may have to zoom in. And then tap on log on at the top right of your screen. Here, if you're already logged in with a Microsoft account, you'll have to tap on use another account, and then you'll have to enter the email provided to you by your college or university, hit next, and then enter your password. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.